Good morning and welcome to the Shatkin f.I.r.s.t Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I'm Fitz. So happy to have you with us this morning. So, our team, Dr. Shatkin and our team, just got back from the Utah Dental Association in Salt Lake City, Utah. We were there Thursday and Friday. Dr. Shatkin performed live surgery on stage Thursday afternoon, and he showed all of the dentists in attendance how simple it is to replace a single missing tooth with a mini dental implant. It took him about 20 minutes, and he had this patient come in without a tooth and leave with a tooth and a mini. It was an absolute awesome procedure. And the dentists that were in attendance could not believe that it could be done so efficiently. And you too can increase your dental revenue by understanding and learning how to place mini and mono dental implants. I'd also like to discuss our brand new product exclusively made for Shatkin f.I.r.s.t is our Penguin MDI, Penguin Mini Dental Implants. Now this device is amazing. What it can do after we place the O-ball implants, we can take this device, put it on the multi-peg, we don't touch it exactly, we're about 2 millimeters away, and it gives us a numerical reading on implant stability, which is absolutely amazing. This is something that can be done by the dental assistant. So, for example, I was watching Dr. Shatkin the other day. He did a full roundhouse case. He placed 12 implants, and 2 of his assistants took care of writing down all the ISQ values. So the dentist doesn't have to do it. Their assistants are more than capable, and keep that information in the patient's charts. It'll be very, very valuable. This is a great machine to have to help you in your arsenal of mini dental implant products. If you want more information, call myself, call Nick, or call Kevin, and we'll get you all set up on the Penguin MDI. And I'd like to remind everyone about our March Mono Madness implant sale. So many doctors throughout the country are taking advantage of this unbelievable special. So, if you buy 25 monos, we give you 5 monos free. If you buy 50, we give you 10 free. If you buy 75, we give you 15 free. If you buy 100, we give you 20 free. So take advantage of this unbelievable deal, and you will see the revenue grow at your practice like never before. And I also want to remind everyone about our upcoming courses. This time of year in Buffalo, we're all very, very excited because we've made it through another cold, hard winter, and the flowers are starting to come up. The grass is getting greener every day. The sun's out more. It's a beautiful time of the year to come to Buffalo, New York. Why would you want to come to Buffalo? We want to help you in your dental practice. Our introductory course on April 21st and 22nd, it's a Friday and a Saturday. You get up to 16 CE credits for attending, and it's going to be an introductory mini and mono dental implant course. You're going to see Dr. Shatkin do live surgery. You'll be able to talk to our new marketing people. You'll be able to talk to Garen, Mark. Mark's doing a lot of infomercials for people throughout the country, which is working excellent. And Garen's helping a ton of people out with their websites. So when you come to Buffalo, we'll go over everything. We're going to follow up April with a course on May 11th and 12th. Once again, it's an introductory course, but it's going to be on a Thursday and a Friday, the 11th of May and the 12th of May. In June, we're heading out to the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants Symposium, which is going to be held at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas, Nevada on June 22nd and June 23rd. So we hope we can see everybody out in Las Vegas. It's going to be a great time. Then we're going to be down in Disney World in Orlando, Florida on August 4th and 5th. And it's a great event to bring your family to. You'll get discounts on the rooms at Disney, and we'll have a very nice social gathering, and you'll learn a ton about mini dental and mono dental implants in a 2-day period. I know I threw a lot of courses at you, but if you go to our website at shatkinfirst.com and just hit the tab courses, you can see every one of the courses I just discussed. You're more than welcome to bring associate dentists, staff members. We have plenty of room. Or if you want to discuss it, you can call Kevin, Nick, or myself, and we'll be happy to help you out over the phone, whatever works out best for you. And we hope everyone has an awesome week placing implants from Shatkin f.I.r.s.t. And Dr. Shatkin, our team at Shatkin f.I.r.s.t., and everyone here, hope you have a great week. See you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.